Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set name password in our vivo phone device. Guys, you want to set your name password, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set name password in our vivo phone device. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friends, now let's start the video without waste time guys. And guys, scroll security setting guys, tap here and guys click screen lock password. So guys, now we will take my name. So for example, guys, I am taking my name. And guys, don't do any mistake guys, be careful here guys, otherwise guys, you will have to take risk. So guys, be careful, enter your name. And guys, now let's see. So guys, now you can see we have this name password in our vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set name password in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.